Hi, this is Laura Rogers with my SharePoint Data View Web Part series, and today I'm going to show you how and why to customize the display text that is shown when a web part has no items in the list. So for example, we have a tasks list that shows on our website, but we want to filter this task list so that it only shows items that are assigned to the currently logged in user. So what we would do is, set a filter, so assigned is equal to me, and then this web part, if I have items assigned to me, it shows me those items. But if I don't have any items assigned to me, I get this generic message. There are no items to show in this view of this list. To create a new item, click to add new item below. So it's a generic list, and it's really it might not be suited to your situation because you might not want people creating tasks, for example, that are if there aren't any assigned to them. That might not be something that your users you're going to want them to have the capability to do. And especially if you have no toolbar shown on your web part, you still get this message that says to click to add the new item below, but you don't even have that anywhere to click that says that. So here's how to go ahead and customize this message that's shown when there are no items in the filter. I created a blank web part page, so opened up my blank web part page in SharePoint Designer, and I'm going to create a data view web part. So I'm inserting the data view web part, pick this task list, and I want to put the title and the status. And also I want to go ahead and create that same filter that I had before, so it shows assigned to is equal to me. So in my common data view tasks, which I can get by clicking to select this data view web part and clicking this little chevron, and I can click filter, assigned to equals, and then current user. So again, it went ahead and filtered it for me on the fly, and there are no items assigned to me. So I want to customize the message that's shown. Also in my common data view tasks, I have a data view properties option, and I have this option that says display text if no matching items are found. This is where I customize it. So there are currently no tasks assigned to you. That way it's more specific and personal, and it's specific to the filter that you have applied, and it's specific to the type of list you're using, etc. Just a little tidbit, whenever you get upgraded to SharePoint 2010, you'll be able to not only customize the message here, but you'll be able to customize what the page looks like. You can put images in there, you can format the text and things like that. So just something to look forward to. So now I have this custom message shown. Save my web part page, go back over to this blank web part that I've created, and I want to export it and stick it on the home page of my site. So I can save this to my desktop and then go back up to my home page, edit mode, and then get rid of this default list view web part and add this custom one by going to the advanced web part gallery and options, import, and then navigate to my desktop to where that web part is, and put it on the page. Another thing to note about web parts is, first of all, see there's the message that you configured. With this web part, you might not want people to be able to get rid of the web part off the page. Just another random tidbit. You can go into this advanced sections in your web part properties, and you can configure things like whether people can close the web part or not. So this allows them to minimize it, allows them to close it, allows you to hide the web part. Zone changements means moving it back and forth across the page, and connections means allowing it to connect to other web parts. And then personal view is when people click on their name and then click personalize this page. If we don't want them to be able to modify this specific web part when they personalize the page, you can uncheck that also. So now we have whoever the currently logged in user is, they will see this task list, and they will see a message as to why the task list is empty. And that's all for now. Thanks.